Tinytag Connect is a central data management feature for Tinytag Ultra Radio, Plus Radio, and Plus LAN data loggers. Tinytag Connect enables users on a network to have remote access to the data being recorded in their application from the convenience of their own desk. Data from multiple monitoring points is collected automatically and can be easily accessed by any permitted user on a LAN or over the internet. Data from the radio and LAN loggers, including temperature, RH, low voltage, current and count, is stored and managed by a Windows service called the Tinytag Connect Gateway. Data is then presented in the easy-to-use Tinytag Explorer Connect software. Radio and LAN data loggers can be mixed and matched within an application to meet particular site layout and infrastructure requirements. Tinytag radio loggers are easy to set up. Installation can be done by the user and site surveys are rarely needed. Data loggers are located as required and self-configure to form a robust mesh network when switched on. They can be placed up to 200 meters apart on a direct line of sight. The loggers will communicate with each other and find the optimum path to send their data via a receiver, which is connected to a network access point or a computer. If extra loggers are added or moved, the mesh network automatically adjusts itself. Data will reroute in the event of a temporary obstruction, and there is no limit to the number of loggers that can be used. Tinytag Ultra radio loggers are designed for indoor use, while Plus radio loggers can be used in harsh environments and outdoors. Plus radio loggers are also used to monitor temperature in refrigerated delivery vehicles, storing data locally while the vehicle is out, then automatically offloading it on return when within range of the mesh network. Tinytag Plus LAN loggers plug into a network point, recording and sending data across a LAN for viewing in Tinytag Explorer Connect. They are powered through their LAN connection, and battery backup will keep the logger recording if this should fail. They can be placed wherever a convenient network point is available and are ideal for locations where radio signals may be problematic due to range or physical obstructions. Both radio and LAN loggers will keep recording in the event of communications problems and will transmit their data when the connection is restored. Email alarm notifications can be generated if conditions fall outside user-defined limits. A 4G receiver router allows environmental monitoring in remote locations or when on-site IT infrastructure cannot be used. The 4G receiver router collects data from the radio data loggers and sends it via secure 4G internet connection, enabling remote monitoring and removing the need for using on-site IT infrastructure. The system can be used across multiple sites simultaneously with no upper limit on the number of loggers at each site. Data from the loggers is presented in Tinytag Explorer Connect software, which is designed for flexibility and ease of use. A viewing pane presents a global view of the system with icons identifying each type of logger. The state of each logger, including alarm conditions and low battery warnings, can be assessed at a glance. During setup, loggers can be labelled and grouped, logging intervals selected, and alarm settings defined. Multiple devices can be configured and downloaded simultaneously. Information is displayed in a graph or table of readings, which can then be exported to Excel or other popular software packages for reporting purposes. Information is also provided in CSV files, which can be imported into third-party applications and databases. Third-party integration is also available via Modbus interface. Data from non-Connect standalone USB Tinytags, such as energy and carbon dioxide loggers, can be combined with Connect-enabled loggers if required. Tinytag Connect provides straightforward and flexible data management across a network, and peace of mind in terms of data integrity, safely recording and storing data at all times without interruption. For details about setting up a Tinytag radio data logging system, please see the video on our website. For further information, visit our website www.tinytag.info, email sales@tinytag.info, or call our UK number 01243 813 000.